Welcome, faculty. In this video, I will demonstrate how to copy your entire course into another course. If you are looking for copying just a few items, example, a folder or something specific, be sure to check out the other video titled Copy Select. Let's get started. First, let's go verify. In this course, you can see there it is filled with material. This is the course that is empty that we will bring that other course's material into. Click Edit Course. Click Import/Export Copy Components. Click Search for Offering. In the search window, type out the course name that has the content material you need and begin the search. Once your course is displayed, select it and then click at the bottom, Add Selected. Now, at the bottom of the page, you will copy all components. Again, be sure you are needing the entire course copied. The copy process is initiated. You do not have to wait for the course to fully copy. You are free to go into the other portion of the course. And there you have it, how to fully copy a course into another course. If you need to learn how to copy something more specific, be sure to check out Copy Select. Thanks for watching.